Here we have some of the self-confidence tips that how can you boost up your confidence. And the first thing is to gratitude. Gratitude means to be thankful to what you have and what you survive, what you overcome, or what you have succeeded. So you should be thankful to them thing and keep recalling those things in your mind, and you should be thankful to those things that you have survived from this situation, you have overcome this problem, or you have succeeded this hurdle. Okay. And next is you should appreciate, and appreciation means what you are good at. You should appreciate yourself, that you are good at this, like you are good at reading, or you are good at cooking, or you are good at art. So you should appreciate your abilities. Okay. Resources you have, and whatever resources you have, you should have appreciate your resources. What you like about yourself, you should appreciate those, like your hairs, your eyes, your nose, or any of the thing. So you should have appreciate yourself. And optimism means what you are expecting from yourself. You should have the expectations in your mind. If you do not have any of the if you have any of the problem with yourself, then you should set a goal that you expect yourself at this level, and then try to reach at that level. Okay. So what you really want, you should have in your mind, and ultimately success is your life. So that's it, girls. Open a book, page number 52. If you have opened, here we go. Haris, Tawan, and Ajit do not feel confident about themselves. In the previous page, we have read about Haris, Tawan, and Ajit, and they are not feeling confident about themselves. They are filled with negative thoughts. Examine the following thoughts and put a tick in the boxes of those that will make them more confident. You have to think, we are going to read their thoughts, and we are going to take here that which of the thought going to be help them to be confident. Number one, no one can help me. Is it a positive thought? No. My classmate will laugh at my ideas. No. I can see if Lamb can help me with my presentation, since he is so good at these things. Yes, this is positive. You should have the person, you should approach the person who you know that he is good at the thing. Okay. I should just practice more. The better I know the information, the more confident I will be. True, because if you have a good confidence in yourself, if you want a good confidence in yourself, you should have a good knowledge about the things, because more the knowledge you have, more the confidence you have. So this is true. The class will be bored listening to me. This is false. This is not a positive thought, because he is not appreciating himself. In fact he is saying that he cannot do this, and nobody will like his presentation. Next is number 2 is I can ask Ellie for help. True, good. You can ask anyone to help, but it's not like that you cannot ask for help. It is good that you can ask for help. Mother will disappoint by how untidy this looks. This is false. This is wrong thought. This is bad thought, because she should be positive that her mother should like it. Okay. I'm useless. I can't even do a simple cross stitch. False. This is wrong, because she is degrading. She is degrading herself. She is degrading her confidence. I can watch how they do this on the internet. True. This is good, because this is a positive thought. She is telling herself that she can find the good ways on the internet. This is good. She is trying to improve her work. So this is good. So this is true. Mother will be able to see I have tried my best. She'll love it whenever I do something for her anyways. This is also a positive talk, that she know her mama. She has confidence in her mama, and she said that if she's doing the hard work, her mama will going to be love it. So this is also good. True. Next one is the last one, Ellie. And I have practiced hard enough. I should just do my best tomorrow. This is a positive thought. He's having a positive energy with this talk. Next is everyone will be looking at me when I come in the last in the race. This is false. He's degrading himself. He's thinking before time that he's going to come in the last in the race. So this is false. I may fall tomorrow. I will be so embarrassed. This is also wrong. He is degrading his energies. He is not boosting his energy. In fact, he is keeping his moral down. I should get enough rest tonight so that I can run well tomorrow. This is good. This is true. He should have a rest so that he can run easily tomorrow. So this is the positive thing he is doing. And the last one is I need to be positive and run to win. This is also good. This is true. Okay, so think positive about yourself. When you are not confident, talk to your family, teacher, school counselor, or your close friends. But remember that those close friends should be sincere to you. If they are not sincere to you, if you and you are going to talk to them, they can put your confidence down. So always talk to those friends you know that they are going to put your confidence up. Okay, they can also they can help you with the advice and the encouragement, and learn to talk positive to yourself too, because self positive talk is very important. If you're not positive talking to yourself, it means you are not having a positive energy from yourselves. Okay, so be your best supporter. That's it, girls. You have to do this work on your health education book, page number 52, in a neat handwriting, and then you have to send a clear picture of your work on my personal number. And again, you can ask any of the question if you want to at my personal number. I'm always there. That's it for today. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.